Best Luxury Midsize Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, distinguished by its blend of sophistication, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. As a leader in the luxury sedan segment, the E-Class continues to set the benchmark for elegance and innovation. Sophisticated design and premium interior. The 2024 E-Class features a timeless and refined design, highlighted by its signature diamond pattern grille, sleek LED headlights, and graceful body lines. This stylish exterior not only enhances its road presence but also improves aerodynamics. Inside, the E-Class offers a luxurious and spacious cabin crafted with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Standard features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch central touchscreen with the latest MBUX infotainment system, and a premium Burmester audio system, providing an immersive driving experience. Impressive performance and comfort. Under the hood, the 2024 E-Class provides a range of powerful engine options to cater to different driving preferences. The base E350 model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. For those seeking enhanced performance, the E454 Matic trim features a 3.0-liter inline-six with EQ Boost technology, producing 362 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and feature a sophisticated air suspension system, offering a refined and comfortable ride. Cutting-edge technology and safety. Mercedes-Benz emphasizes safety and technology in the 2024 E-Class. Standard safety features include active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims offer advanced options such as a head-up display, enhanced driver assistance features, and the latest MBUX augmented reality navigation. These technologies contribute to a safer and more connected driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class stands out as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 due to its elegant design, impressive performance, and state-of-the-art technology. Its combination of luxury, comfort, and innovation makes it a top choice for discerning drivers seeking a premier midsize sedan.